Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 9a in the diagram alongside A, B, D, and the origin lie on the circle with center C. So we have A, B, D, and the origin, means here this origin, lie on the circle with center C. The equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. And then the equation of the line AB, this is the line AB, is x minus 2y plus 21 is equal to 0. 9a says, determine the center and the radius of the circle. So what does that mean? It means we have to write the equation of the circle in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. When our equation is in this form, then the coordinates of the center will be AB, and then the radius will be r. So we have to write this equation in this form. And then how do we do that? We have to complete the square. We have to complete the square. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. Let's bring the terms with x together. So we have x squared plus 6x, and then we bring those with y together, plus y squared minus 8y is equal to 0. Then what do we do? We complete the square. We find the half of the coefficient of x, we square it and add it on both sides of the equation. And then we find half the coefficient of y, we square it and add it on both sides of the equation. So let's do that. We have x squared plus 6x, then half of 6 is 3, so we square it and then we add it on both sides of the equation. So it's going to be plus 3 squared, let's say equal here, and then plus 3 squared. Right, we're done with the first part, and then we do the y, then plus y squared minus 8y. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. Then we square it, then add it on both sides of the equation. So it's going to be plus negative 4 squared, and then plus negative 4 squared. This is how we complete the square. And then when we factorize the first three terms here, we'll just get x plus 3 squared. Okay, and then plus, and then this one will give you y, and then minus 4. Y minus, we just take this y here and the negative 4 there, then get y minus 4 squared, and then it's equal to 9 plus 16, which is 25, and then 25 is 5 squared, meaning that C, the coordinates of C are negative 3, 4, and then R is equal to 5 units. And then here, if you wanted to do it the long way, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. We look for the factors of 9 that can give us 6. You have your two brackets like this. The factors of 9 that can give us 6 is positive 3 and positive 3. X plus 3, x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared like this. Then this part, y squared minus 8y plus 16, right? The factors that can give us positive 16 and give us negative 8, if we add them, is negative 4 and negative 4. We have x minus 4, then x minus 4, which is x minus 4 squared. That's another way of doing it, okay? And then now we have the coordinates of C and the length of our radius.